the car, and I like it. What do you think?
I like it. It's a fun car. It's big. It's bigger than what we need.
Yeah, we've got a full empty back seat except for Ollie.
It'll do what it needs to do, which is get us to the beach.
Yep, we're gonna go to Shipwreck Beach, and Pierce told me I needed to play Amazing Race, so we're going to Shipwreck Beach.
Without a GPS.
Without a GPS.
Lauren is my navigator.
And that probably means we're gonna have a couple wrong turns along the way, right?
I hope not.
I guess I shouldn't say that because then we'll manifest. Okay, good, so we're going the right way. Ha ha ha! Just go straight. Don't veer off this path. But some pretty things. It's kind of overcast today. So we're just taking a little road trip.
What we've noticed about Lanai. Oh, hey,
there's Maui. Hello.
Hi, Maui. There's Lahaina.
That's so close.
Just right across the bay.
Do you want to hop over and then go get some Fritas?
Some Fritas.
Wow. It's gorgeous. What do you think?
I like Lahaina.
Well, that's in Maui.
Whoa, I like Lanai. I'm looking at Lahaina. Lahaina's right there. I like Lanai.
Right there.
Lanai is very untouched, and I think that's what I appreciate about it.
It reminds me of Utah in a little bit of just like the Springville small town, lots of land, just like hunt and be a sportsman. Ooh, there goes my map.
Well, Lauren so far she has passed her challenge in navigating us towards the northern section of the island.
Mess up in the next 30 seconds.
And she's done so without a GPS, but we've only made one turn. So let's see if we can make the second turn and get to Shipwreck Beach.
Here we are, end of the paved road. Ready for
Shipwreck Beach. Lauren's doing a pretty good job navigating.
I told us to turn left, and we did.
She's doing pretty good.
That smile's like, ooh. Coming to a dip. A dip in the road.
Who knows? We got a Land Cruiser.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun now. We got the dip. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Oh.
That was a piece of cake.
You can see Ollie's feet. He's passed out. He likes the rocking.
Watch out, big bump. Very sandy. We just tried to go to Shipwreck Beach. And we got to it. We got to the end of the road. We really did. I promise Lauren got us there. But there's about another mile hike that we have to do to get into it. And Oliver just woke up.
He says, I need more rocking.
And I don't think he's up for it. So we're gonna turn around and try to continue along this ocean path.
We want to go all the way down here to Church Ruins. We'll
see how it turns out. It's an adventure. We're off-roading in Lanai.
It's fine.
We're getting a four-wheel adventure.
Alright, so change of plans. We're going straight to the church ruins in Keomoku.
Straight we go.
Straight meaning now straight.
If the road has good conditions, we will continue. If there are poor conditions because there's flooding yesterday, then we're turning around and going back.
It's cool. We're having fun. He's not upset, that's for sure. He's trying to figure it out. What do you think? Oh, what was that? Good job, baby. Yeah, did you have a good time? Yeah, you sweet boy, I love you. It's his concentrating face.
Trying to keep Oliver asleep.
Oh, he's happy. He likes the bumpy bumps.
But it's really pretty out here. Once we get past this little rectangle area. Oh, look at that. There's a lunch spot. Speed bumps ahead. Here, you should go just jump out really quick and go over fast.
Crabs! Ooh, gotta take off my shoes. Ooh, it's warm. That looks like a turtle or something over there. Maybe a rock. Maybe it's a piece of trash. There's a turtle sleeping right here. There she is. Just taking a little breath. She's beautiful. Oh, this is a rock. I almost missed that turtle. Oh, it's a mattress. That's gross. Well, I guess we've got trash and we've got a beautiful turtle. That's what you get in Lanai when it's just nature doing its thing. There's Pierce. There's Pierce backing up to get his perfect shot. Ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 bum bum ba da da. Now we're back in the car. Here comes the church. This is the only thing left that survived the years. This used to be a city, a little village or a sugar mill. This is all that's left. But it's pretty cute.
Let's go step inside.
This is really cute. It was built in 1910, I want to say.
So I guess what the inside looked like.
In 1950. Okay, so it hasn't been deserted for too long.
Let's go ahead and step up inside.
This ceiling looks fresh. I think someone's taking care of this church.
Yeah.
Look at this big moth over here.
The ocean's just right over through those trees.
It'd be easier and bigger testimony from this pulpit because it's a really small room. It's not so scary.
How was it?
It's cool. I like it.
Just a cute little Hawaiian chapel. Looks like we're loading back up. Going around the island. Lanai, here we go. Oliver's fast asleep. Let's go.
The pale moon. Na na.
Oh, I wonder. There's a little trail right there.
Your beast is sweet.
Do you want to walk? Here, you go run down that trail.
Oh, okay. Going back out. Ooh, look how dusty that car is getting. That's fun.
Run down the trail.
Used to be a boat. Huh. Do I go left or right? Choose the right. Boat remains.
It's like a ghost town for sure.
More boat remains. Ooh, there's the bread oven.
Must have had some kind of bakery over here.
Yep. It's an oven. There's Pierce. Look how much dust is coming off that car. That's cool.
Yeah.
Ooh. So it's just like some boat remains and like a bread oven. But they're there still. Apparently it was only... Oh, did he?
He said. And I rolled back the car and I rolled it forward. And he's like, oh.
Well, it's almost time to get him out.
All right, unforeseen detour. As I was driving, we stopped by this little sign that said school train. No idea what that means. Looks like a schoolhouse back down this way. Lauren's feeding Oliver, so she absolutely begged me to get out of the car and come run down and see what this was all about. Looks like there's a locomotive down that way. Well, there's a schoolhouse. I'm going to the locomotive. All right, hold tight. Well, it looks like it was a sugar company locomotive, and back in 1899 it was part of Murray Gibson, who was working with the sugar mill. And for whatever reason, the locomotive was left here. On the way over, we were traveling down the dirt road, and 3 axis deer jumped out at us. Scared 11 daylights out of us. We almost hit them, but we didn't. We were safe. So I ran. I literally ran. This battery has 16% life on it, but I wanted to show you the schoolhouse. So I'm approaching the schoolhouse right now, and then we're going to be very conservative with what we show from here on out because, goodness, it's only day 1. We have 60% battery life left. So here we go. There's the schoolhouse. For what? Oh, it's a church and schoolhouse, it looks like. I'm going to have to go through and do some reading up on this. But looks like I can go up to it. These are the ruins of what's left of this beautiful schoolhouse. I think it looks like we can walk to the side of it as the sun's starting to set. Poke our heads in. Say hello. Oh, look at that. There's a little bird. And how would you like to go to school? Literally, maybe 300 yards away from the beach. Not a bad place. The church was just maybe like 2-3 minutes up the road as we were heading back. So we went directly north from town up to Shipwreck Beach, and then now we're making our way east along the coastline. You can see Molokai and you can see Maui, and the water is glass. It's beautiful. The water's glass. It's beautiful. It's incredible. I absolutely love this side of the island. I told Lauren I'd live here. I'd move here. I'd build a house right on the beach and live here if I could. She said no. She needs something a little bit bigger, but I love it. It's beautiful. All right, let's go back, get Lauren and Oliver. So this is the closest I think I've ever driven to the ocean. They always talk about that driver, the truck driver who drove on the cliff, whether he would drive 1 foot off or 1 foot on. I mean, that's pretty darn close, wouldn't you say? That's like right there. I don't know, that's pretty cool. East side Lahaina, or Lahaina. East side Lanai.
Lahaina.
Lanai.
Lahaina. Oh,
Oh, they just all freaked
I
out.
saw
They
him.
were all huddled together.
I see him.
Missed it.
Poor boy.
Huh? What?
Hold on, man. I'll tell you later.
What? Coming out.
He's trying to go to sleep. He's so tired. Each new bump is waking him up, so he's like,